Meaning of Lance Sergeant.
Lance Sergeant.
Lance Sergeant.
Lance Sergeant.
Lance Sergeant. Lance Sergeant is a military rank used by several countries, typically equivalent to the rank of corporal but with additional responsibilities. In some countries, such as the United Kingdom, it is considered a junior non-commissioned officer rank and is above the rank of private and lance corporal, but below the rank of sergeant. A lance sergeant often serves as a team leader and may be responsible for training and supervising lower-ranking soldiers, as well as carrying out other duties assigned by their superior officers.